This amazing machine weighs 580 tons, 91.8 meters long, 7.4 meters in width, and 9 meters in height. She is able to lift 900 tons of stuff, made by the Beijing Joint Machinery Company. Name of this machine is the bridge erecting machine. The bridge erecting machine can offer the span to the next pier without the need of the guide beam. In second place, the excavator is drilling against the hard rock walls. What is amazing is, this machine is on a high steep cliff with unstable ground. Something that seems impossible, but this machine makes it look easy. This video may surprise us. This cool little robot can walk backwards and climb the wall behind it. In fourth place, we can see an amazing large machine with its claws in the process of destroying a bus that is no longer in use. It is not known whether the purpose of this destruction is for recycling and reusable purposes or for something else. This video shows the versatility of the zipper truck system. With this method, they are able to create tunnels with openings very quickly and with no permanent support rock. Definitely, this is some smart working, right? This is perhaps one of the excavator that is simply amazing. In general, a standard excavator will not perform well in swampy areas. However, this excavator is able to work perfectly in the swamp area without any problems. An extraordinary excavator is working on the side of a very steep cliff. Amazingly, the excavator is capable of drilling well and stable even in the terrain conditions that look impossible like that.